I built my own version of Skool directly on the blockchain with Claude and the ICP. Why is this important? Well, if you're a content creator, one of the main ways to monetize is to have a community and to be able to have a platform where you can sell. Now, Skool, I just launched a Skool a couple of months ago. I'm glad we got 27 members in here, but there's a big problem with Skool. They control everything. I want to accept payments in crypto. I'd have to set that up somewhere else and take the payments and give people coupons. They decide they don't like me, they could just ban my whole account like Udemy did. And there's only the functionality they build in. So they've got a nice community. They've got Classroom and members, map, and leaderboards, which is cool, and direct messaging. But then I have to pay $100 a month to keep my community active on here for all the features. And the payments all go through them as well. And on top of that, if I want to add stuff like, say, I want to put audiobooks in here, or I want to sell calls directly so people can buy it, or I want to actually have control of it myself and be able to customize every single thing, well, I can't do all that on Skool. So in the past, it has been impossible to just go through and try and build something like this yourself without paying a developer huge amounts of money. And even if you use platforms like Lovable or Replit, they have extremely limited functionality. One single update could break your entire existing website. They are insecure. The platform totally owns you. So there's just a new solution that has emerged using Internet Computer Protocol, which is a new infrastructure to build the internet on via blockchain. Unmatched technology. And Claude Code has finally made it so you can easily build on it. So look what I've built here. I've built this, like this is just what I've started to build in the last week. What's amazing is how Claude Code keeps iterating. So I have my website here at jerrybanfield.com. Now in the past, all I did was send people straight over to my Skool. And then I'm doing all this work to put the traffic to jerrybanfield.com. Then I'm losing a significant percentage because of people literally needing to click one button to go to another website. And then again, I've been banned and demonetized enough times in the last 15 years as a content creator to know that bans and demonetizations are often not fair and right when you go viral. And it doesn't even matter if you're following the rules or not. If they don't like you, they can take your profile down for any reason at all. They have total control. And I've learned, don't build your business on somebody else's business. So I finally got this set up where now when you go to my website, for all the people who are brand new that found me some other way, it's got my YouTube channels to start there. Then for some gamification and some showing off among the top supporters, now I put a leaderboard where you can show off how much money you've spent on my website. And then I show this in like every one of my videos. And I'm grateful, literally 2 people tipped me today, and a third one tipped also that's not on here because I didn't have the sign-in process. What's amazing is that Internet Computer Protocol allows you to do one single sign-in. So if you click on the homepage still is archived for some reason. I put buy now on it, and it's there. Some of these have buy now. So when you click on buy now, some of these will take you to the sign-in page. But I still sell my Skool community on here for people who already use Skool and want to. But I've got total control of what I offer. I can offer shirts. And then nobody's going to censor my content either. I'm going to put some of my dark stand-up comedy on here. And that would be a problem to put that potentially on Skool. Because let's say on Skool, one hater gets in there, reports my comedy. Skool doesn't like it. They take my whole platform down. On here, there's nobody to report. I'm hosted straight on the blockchain and can't be censored without a motion directly on the blockchain to censor, which is realistically going to be difficult for something like somebody didn't like my comedy. On Stripe, if something happened with my payment processor, I can just rotate another one in. That's not a big deal. And I take payments directly in crypto for all these also. Now, it takes some work, and I'm on the $200 a month Claude plan, but literally I could cancel the Skool at some point, the pro version, and put that back towards the Claude plan. But what's incredible is how I can build this and iterate on it over time. Like this public leaderboard is awesome for social proof. In the last week, you've already got 3 people buying the chat membership. So I've got it set up like this right now, where if you go to jerrybanfield.com/chat, if you're not actually in there, what happens is it sells you on joining the family, lifetime access, and I just change all the headlines and everything with Claude however I want to. You can pay with Stripe and you can pay with ICP, which is awesome because, a lot of my audience has ICP and wants to, but then the other half from all over the place wants to pay with a card. So unlike Skool where you couldn't pay with ICP, I've got both. Then if you're already a member, there's a built-in sign-in and I don't have to manage the sign-in. The sign-in's already set up straight on the blockchain. Then there's no censorship on this either. There's no third party that can come in there and censor the conversations. I'm not even sure if they can see the conversations without buying them that I'm having with my community. So I built this up and I just added emojis. I'm like, cool. I want emojis. All of a sudden, I just added emojis. Like I literally just told Claude, put emojis in there. Boom, it puts them in there. And this chat also ranks you on the leaderboard by how much money you've spent. A cool little feature I put on there. Then I can build this out so it has different channels on it. I can build out direct messages if I want to. Like I literally have total control. I started off as plain text. Then I added images. In the future, if I wanted to put like MP3 files in there, I could do that also. Then I have a dedicated leaderboard page. Then this can pull across all my blog posts. Then I have a dedicated tip page on here. And the tips, that's $40 I made in tips in the last 2 days. And then I show off my tips across all my videos. So you can see the newest tips and the biggest all-time tips. This gives people a concrete way, like, oh, look, I want to support Jerry. Boom, you got all the different tip options, and I'm going to put them up to $1,000 on there. And then on top of all of that, this is something I don't have with Skool. I want to get traffic directly to my website. I want to take my videos that I'm putting up on YouTube, transcribe them with AI, and put them out there so all the AI programs can scrape all my chat text and then link my blog posts and know the things that I know about so that they can recommend me if they want to. And right now, I've got 1,279 blog posts all on this website also. And then Google is now sending people into my website every day for free. And then they're directly on my website. They don't have to go anywhere else. They can then immediately click on call options, get lifetime access to the chat, join the family in the community. This is all fully customizable. And these blog posts are fully automatic, just dropping videos in the folder. Like this is game-changing technology for content creators because if you're a YouTuber, you've often been getting ripped off by people at third parties who maybe it wasn't a rip-off back then. I mean, I certainly felt like when I, added tens of millions of dollars to Udemy's company valuation, introduced millions of people to udemy.com for the first time, made millions of dollars of sales on their platform. Then they ban me. They stop all their payments to me, but they keep all the hundreds of thousands of people that signed up for Udemy because of my YouTube videos, because of my ads, because of my website, because of my email list. They keep all those customers for themselves and they cut me out. With my website, nobody's going to do that to me ever again. I have everybody here. And all my sources from all my social media send people to a full-on page where I don't have to use a stupid link tree to get people to go somewhere else. And then I have merchandise. Like I can sell whatever I want on here. And that's a huge deal. And I can just have as much. Oh, and I have games on this also. So I'm making games with AI. It's like, okay, you want to make games on this? Cool. Look, I made a blockchain zombies game right here that you can just hop into and play this game. Then I can actually, what I'm going to do, I made some games just to test, but I'm going to make some games and then charge for the games. The games will be like $10. So on one single website, and then I'll put video courses up. I may put some of them as unlisted YouTube videos because right now on ICP, you can easily host MP3 files. Like it costs about $5 per gigabyte, but that's replicated storage. Like literally, I'm playing a game I built with AI right now that's directly on my website. Anybody can play for free. And it's got perks and stuff. Like, look how cool this is. So this is on the same website that my books, that my courses, that my community, and everybody's got a profile on my website too. So everybody has a public profile where they can link out to their other stuff. And on everybody's profile, they also have the ability on their profiles to show off all the things they've bought. So like this is outstanding for like social proof and competition, because it only takes 1 or 2 people to decide that they want to be the top on the leaderboard. And they drop some extra tips, they buy some extra calls, and they take pride in having one of these leaderboard spots. Like here on True Self's profile, if you click on it, you can then see which products that True Self has bought. And unless it looks like he might have hid the ones he bought. Let's check out Map Technical Forecasting. And there, so you can see his purchases are listed right here, jerrybanfield.com/chat, listed on the purchases. Like I give people an option, you can hide the purchases. Like if, you don't want people to know that you bought, my audiobook or time with me or whatever, or tipped, like you can, that's an option there. So this is incredible because this is a full business system instead of Skool. Like the guys on Skool were saying that, to get the best results, you should send everybody to your Skool from all your Instagram, YouTube, TikTok. You should send them all to your Skool. But then, of course, they're saying that because it's their platform. They want to make the most money possible. And while, yes, that might work in the short term, in the long term, I want to send everybody to jerrybanfield.com because jerrybanfield.com is mine. I mean, outside of getting put on like, some crazy terrorism watch list or something like that site, jerrybanfield.com is hard to mess with. And that is what's important over the long term is you build your business as a content creator on a rock solid foundation that's not easily censorable because you piss off one person at one company and they decide to wipe out your whole business like Udemy. And then you got to rebuild and then you build somewhere else and then that goes downhill and then you rebuild. Like over the last decade, I've rebuilt like at least 5 different places from Udemy to Steam to YouTube, to Facebook gaming, to trying to have stuff on my own website, most recently Skool. And you gotta have all this yourself. So what I'm going to do too, is I'm going to make a course showing how I build all this stuff and the key things you need to know, because then that'll have video tutorials in it that go through and show the key things you need to do. So I'll go build a course that gets into more technical details. I'll put that on my website. But if you just want to chat or if you want to screen share and set up Claude, you can schedule a call with me and then just screen share and ask me questions, because you could probably set up Claude and start building something like this yourself. And if you get stuck or need help, then you can just go to jerrybanfield.com, talk to me now if I'm online, or schedule a Zoom call and I'll help you get into the details of this. So thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you on jerrybanfield.com. Hop in the chat, have a conversation with me, try the purchasing experience, see how it works for yourself.